Kia ora, Chris from Measure and Draw. So the other day I got a phone call from a potential client who they did something a little bit out of the norm and added a bathroom to their existing house without a consent. They wanted to know what they're supposed to do. Effectively, there's two ways that you can get through this issue with council. The first being a safe and sanitary report. That's in place for any projects that have been done and completed pre-1992. You'll need to speak to a building inspector about that. Now, when we look at the other avenue, it's called getting a COA, which is a certificate of acceptance. This process is very similar to the building consent process. However, there's a little bit less work involved because you're not going to have council inspections.